So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be unboxing and review the K28 mechanical gaming keyboard. So it comes with a keycap puller, the palm rest and the keyboard itself. It doesn't have the number pad because it's a 10 keyless version, and it has blue switches. I can show you one. It looks like a clone of Cherry MX switches. It's quite clicky and tactile. Now let's move into the RGB versions. To show you guys the light effects, I'm just plugging into my laptop, and it has nice boot up sequence in the starting. And this is the first effect. Then to toggle the light effects, you have to click on FN plus SL key. So this is when you press a key, that key will light up. Then again to next mode, this is fade in fade out effect. Then to the next mode, like this one RGB flow effect. Now this is joining to the inside like that effect. Now this is WASD escape and the arrow keys light up for gamers. Then again press FN plus SL for the boot up sequence, the same RGB effect. Then again press FN plus SL. So next I will do a quick typing test so you can understand how this blue switch sounds like. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. The link for buying this keyboard will be in the description. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more lit videos.